Hi everyone, welcome to the Pinspiration collaboration. This month I chose not to do cards. I was just looking around on Pinterest. I was going to do cards and then I thought, well, I came across these cute reindeer treat bags and I remembered I had several treat bags left from the Gift of Fall August 2019 paper pumpkin kit. I actually had 3 bags left, and they're showing 3 here. So I decided to make little reindeer bags with them. But I didn't have googly eyes this big, and I'm not sure I have red pom-poms this big. So I decided to just use paper. And I also don't have candy canes for the antlers. So here's what I'm doing. And we're going to do it together. Oh, and this inspiration piece is from happygoluckyblog.com. The Pinterest link will be down below and then you can follow it to the blog. I actually didn't go out to the blog, I just printed the picture off. So I thought it was cute. So here's what we're doing. We're taking, this is all Stampin' Up too, which I wasn't going to do, but yeah, it's paper pumpkin and Stampin' Up. So I'm using my 2 1/4 inch circle punch and I'm using the red glimmer paper that's in the holiday catalog now. I'm using the 1 1/2 inch circle for the Whisper White part of the eyes. You can make them really goofy and go different eye looks, like, you know, that and that. But we're gonna put them like this and this. And then 3/4 inch punch, circle punch for the black part. And then for the antlers, I'm gonna use the sprig punch. Like, looks like this, and I'm using soft suede cardstock for that because I think that looks okay. So we're just going to glue these down. So let's start with my multi-purpose mono liquid glue. Make sure it'll come out. Hi Callie, my kitty cat came up to see us. So I had exactly 3 bags left and I thought, you know what, these will be nice for my just a little something gift for my granddaughters and maybe one for my son too. Just as a cutesy surprise, or my mom, she'd even like something like that. Or maybe I'll sell them at my mother's facility is now going to have a sort of a craft fair to benefit them. $15 a table. I'm probably going to do it. It's on a Wednesday afternoon kind of thing. So hopefully this is going to stick. This is giving me a little bit of problem sticking on here. But I just have to hold it down for a minute, I think. There we go. Okay, and then the white, I think we're going to put him down close to his nose there. His big red, shiny, sparkly nose. And we'll just do one there. And one over here, and they're not even. Up a little bit, there we go. And then we'll just put this little black dot in here, which is really slip sliding around. All right, and one there, and that's it. Just I think that looks kind of cute. Maybe put that one up just a little bit. There we go. Okay, there's our Rudolph treat bag. And really cute. And then I could still stick candy canes in or whatever I decide to at that time. Or little presents or something, you know. I think that's really kind of cute. But even you could put a gift card in there with something or whatever. So I'm going to make 2 more. And if you'd like to stick around, you can, but you saw how fast that was. Now, I did turn one of these, I lost one of my antlers. See, if you do them, well, you can either have them going that way, but I like them both sort of turned in a little bit up there, so I flip one over to do that. And I'm going like 2 up. There we go. And then this one. Ugh, it's sticking to me. two up. Oops. I think honestly I'm going to switch to my other glue. This one is good, but it is a little too thick coming out to my liking for some of these. And oh gosh, my pin is stuck in my bottle on my other one. I got it. I got it. Never fear. Never fear. Okay. So let's do the nose first. I mean, you could even, well, Rudolph is not a, okay, this is not one to come out. Let me try and remedy this situation. Okay, hopefully it'll come out now. Goodness me. Doesn't want to. There it comes. All right. There we go. And we'll try and push that down. It has a little bit of a ridge here, so you have to hold it down. Now, I don't know. Yeah, because this is the flat side of the bag. The other side would be a problem. And, okay, now the white circles. These are just Whisper White cardstock, and they're just the regular cardstock. Doesn't need to be anything super fancy, you know? So how easy is that? Just 3 sizes of circles and the sprig punch. And you know, I'm how old am I? And I've never made things like this before. So yeah, forgive me if it's childish to you, but and this little one has a boo-boo on his eye, but it's not gonna matter much. Looks like the black I cut into maybe had a little piece out of the bottom there. There's that one. So we'll just sit that over there, and I mean, can't be much faster than this, can it? So I hope you're all having a good weekend. This should be up on Saturday the 29th of September. And do go see our host Kim and all the other Pinspiration collab members. That'll be linked down below, and see what lovely things they've come up with. There's usually a variety of things, from paper crafting, you know, scrapbooking, all kinds, the home decor. So feel free to hop on over to their channels. If the links don't work, just search on the next person and maybe their links will work, because we copy them so many times, and sometimes I think that's when they stop working good. I missed a spot on here, so we're gonna glue that on a little better there. All right, we need a black eye. We need a black eye. We need a black eye. So anyway, yeah, be sure to go check everyone out, and don't forget to please give us a thumbs up if you like anything we show you. It really helps our channels, and we greatly appreciate that. And subscribe to all of us if you're not already, and come back the last Saturday of each month is when we post, until I hear otherwise anyway. And thank you to Kim for Creations by Kimber for hosting this collaboration. I know life's been pretty hectic for her lately, so we do appreciate you continuing to host. And I guess that's it, guys. I made 3 bags in that short amount of time, right? I did the punching before you got on, though, because that's just loud and rude, right? So there's our Rudolph treat bags out of the leftover treat bags from the Gift of Fall paper pumpkin kit. So I'm going to call this a paper pumpkin alternative for the month of August. Yeah, so I hope you have a great weekend and an even better week, and I'll talk to you the next time. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.